the question here, why it is here in front of his house. So, guys, it is the drinkable water. You can drink this water. But the question here was like in a Baku, all around Caspian Sea has salty water, so it is not drinkable. And the people was trying to get the water from underground rivers, which Absheron Peninsula in general have. And when they was finding it, they was connecting it as like this to the stone in a way of trying to connect and make it that much beautiful that it's possible. And 24 hours, they had drinkable water. And right now I'm going to try to open water. It is underground waters. Because in old city in general, it was a big problem. They need this kind of water. Also, the second way how they was keeping the water, it was this kind of from the stone made ovens. Have a look. We are talking about the raining. Yes, raining water. People was waiting when raining starts. And in this, from the stone bag, they was keeping the drinkable water. These places also called ovdan. And as you can see here, of course, it is not in use anymore, but you can see like it is still here. Aranda, thank you very much for leaving a tip. Have a tea, talk about anything, because he is a professional traveler also, guys. He loves to travel. So I think you can find many general topics and lovely conversation together. And this kind of balconies. The streets here very narrow, but many of them architectural. Let me show you the street. You can see how narrow and how strange it is. Guys,
Aksiyon. Biri diyeceğim şimdi adam tapsıyor yağla. Özü de değil var kimse.
so guys, if we talk about the sightseeing of the old city, They're one of the most significant monuments of the Şehir, Şirvanşah Palace, and made glass houses, several museums, embassies, hotels, shops, cafes, and restaurants. So Şirvanşahs and Maiden Tower. Have a look. This is kind of the restaurant. Things to explore because the local people live in here for quite a long time. I'm in the generation of the 5 families, like 500 years, 400 years. And because of this, each of these families has a very special life stories. And mostly them just falling in love with art. They love to draw. They love to create new things. So we are, after the walking here, I'm going to take you right now to the Şirvanşah complex part. On the way of the Silk Road, here was a merchant and traders from all over the world. Kingdom of Şirvanşahs made the decision to protect old city. And the defense wall, which you're going to see in the end, it is from 12th century. I wanted to see this beauty. World Heritage. It is lovely, right? Complex, 12th and 15th centuries. It was built up partly. The palace complex, the rulers of the state with 1,000 years history, is a unique masterpiece of the medieval architecture. The museum's permanent exhibition provides insights into the history of the palace, the dynasty of the Şirvanşahs, and the culture of Azerbaijan. Okay? So guys, usually at 6 p.m., museum already going to be closed. So it's, I think, the tower, it is our first Azerbaijan government television. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly let me know if you did enough. This is the backyard of the palace. Michael, thank you very much for leaving a tip. I highly appreciate your support, guys. Thank you. So, have a look to this house, guys. and have a look to the